Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. Currently trading around $0.077. It's down 12% over the last 1 month, down 7% over the last 1 year. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared. Pessimism is at an all-time high. How low can the Sandbox go if we continue dumping to Goblin Town? For found the bottom, we start pumping to higher prices. Where are those key levels to watch out for? We look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox performance against Ethereum. We also look at the Sandbox market cap, which is down bad to the $220 million level. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Don't forget, guys, you want to become a legend, you want to become a member, link in the description. The Sandbox with a market cap of $227 million has a total supply of 3 billion tokens. 2.93 billion of those tokens are in circulation. The all-time high for the Sandbox came in on the 25th of November 2021, traded for as high as $8.44. Right now, it's down 99% from its all-time highs. The all-time highs for a lot of altcoins cannot be ever reached, Sandbox included. A lot of altcoins have been down bad over the last 1 year. The Sandbox is down 70% over the last 1 year. And if you look at the Sandbox valuation against the US dollar, it went from as high as $8, continued dumping to Goblin Town. We've seen it lose 99% of its value in the process. And even when pessimism at its highest, even a lot of market participants believe there's one more leg down. I believe, guys, we're in a very, very crucial support level where smart money is accumulating. If you look at the Sandbox RSI since December of 2025, it has been going flat. I will not be shocked to see Sandbox making a big, big move to the upside. We thought there was a bottom here around the $0.11 level, and we saw that one leg down. But right now, there's a general consensus in the cryptocurrency market that there's still one leg down again from where we're currently trading. Vibes are down in the cryptocurrency market. Pessimism is at its highest. Historically, that has been a good time to buy. If you look at the Sandbox performance against the US dollar, the Sandbox was launched somewhere around the $0.071 level way back in August 2020. And then it dumped to Goblin Town. That was the accumulation of a lifetime. All those market participants that bought the Sandbox below the $0.077 level. They were happy, they were singing Kumbaya because when the Sandbox started pumping, it pumped gradually to all-time highs from the $0.073 level, rallying up by more than 11,000%. Altcoins are very volatile, guys. If you want to play in the altcoin market, you have to remember these altcoins are very, very volatile. Volatility here is a future, it's not a bug. For you to play in the altcoin market, you have to be able to stomach big, big drawdown down to Goblin Town. But then again, the reason why you're stomaching those big drawdowns to Goblin Town is because of the reward. The reward is a big pump to the moon. The reward is an aggressive pump to all-time highs. The last bull market saw the Sandbox having two sets of pump. The first rally saw the Sandbox rallying up by 2,600%. The second rally saw the Sandbox still rallying again by around 4,900% in total from the bottom to the top. If you bought the Sandbox tokens in November of 2021, by the time we got to November of 2022, your investment was up more than 18,000%. 182x return in just under a year. That's the kind of returns you get in the altcoin market. But then again, the blowback is that you get to see this altcoin dump aggressively to Goblin Town for the next 5 years by 99%. Key levels to watch out for the Sandbox over the next few days and the next few weeks. We see the altcoin market finding the bottom, as I suspect we would, and we start pumping to higher prices. You have to pay attention to these critical levels. On the 0.22 level is going to be one important level for the Sandbox. So it have a reaction there in 2021 before it pumped to new all-time highs. And so we're dumping to Goblin Town. We're bouncing off that $0.22 level. So I'll not be shocked to see that $0.22 level prove to be very, very pivotal. The next key levels to watch out for, if the Sandbox continue on its journey to new all-time highs, is going to be the $0.84 region from where we're currently trading right now. For the Sandbox to even get to that $0.84 region, we see it pumping by around 1,000%. And we saw the Sandbox trading there in December of 2024. The Sandbox was trading around that $0.84 region before we eventually dumped. Since 2024, we have been dumping. Sandbox has lost 92% of its value. A lot of altcoins have been down bad. Sandbox has not set new all-time high since 2021. And when altcoins are down bad like this, a lot of market participants tend to shut them down. The bears tend to believe that it's not going to ever pump. The general vibes is going to be we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. we are going to zero. But guys, historically, buying low and selling high has been the best way to play the game. Buying in periods of extreme fear and selling when extreme greed comes back to the cryptocurrency market has been a smart way to play the game. So if we see the sandbox rallying up to higher prices, rallying up to the $0.8 level, 1,000% pump to the upside, I'm sure some smart money that bought down low here will want to take some profit off the table. Is there a possibility we can go higher than that? There's a huge, huge possibility we can go higher than that. We can find ourselves around the $2.7 level from where we're currently trading right now. The sandbox will need to pull up a 3,500% pump to the upside to get towards $2.7. You might be wondering where you can get some sandbox tokens for yourself. You can get some sandbox tokens on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Bybit, on anywhere you get your popular altcoins. The sandbox was launched in 2011. The sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of a game. Look at the sandbox performance against Bitcoin. It's been two sides of a wonderful story. A big pump to the upside, a big dump to gobbling town. The next move for the sandbox performance against Bitcoin should be a big pump to the upside. All coins are outperforming. I expect the sandbox outperforming those all coins. I expect the sandbox to get one big pump to the upside. 100% pump, a 200% pump, maybe even 1,000% pump to the upside against Bitcoin. Similar price action for the sandbox against Ethereum. It's been down bad ever since we set new all-time highs in 2021. So I'll not be shocked to see the sandbox pull off 1,000% move to the upside. And this percentage moves to the upside looks outrageous if you realize that the sandbox has done that in the past. We saw it pump by 5,600% before we saw it dump into Goblin Town by around 98%. So 1,000% pump to the upside is not something crazy. 1,000% pump to the upside is something to be expected. There's a bullish divergence for the sandbox performance against Ethereum. Don't be shocked to see it put a big pump to the upside over the next few days and the next few weeks. With extreme fear currently gripping the cryptocurrency market right now, expect to see a lot of altcoins doing well. With extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, expect to see good times in the altcoin market. Now, if you look at the sandbox market cap, it sits around the $228 million level. Expect to see the sandbox find some support. There's always that possibility we can go lower. If we go lower, I believe we'll find support around the $111 million level. From where we're currently trading right now, that will see the sandbox dumping by around 50%. Yes, a 50% dump is possible, but then the upside is also there again. From where the sandbox is currently trading right now, we can easily rally to that $500 million level. That's the first strong support level. That's the first strong resistance level I see for the sandbox. Again, for the sandbox market cap, which will see us pumping by 131% to the upside, and that's resistance level for the sandbox should come in around the $2 billion level from where we're currently trading right now. Sandbox should rally up by around 743%. To get to new all-time highs, it needs a 3,000% pump to the upside. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating some sandbox token right now? You used to believe it's possible for it to get to new all-time highs. How high do you see the sandbox going in 2026? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.